Hello dear learners, welcome to Learn Microbiology. In today's video, we will talk about MSc Food Science and Nutrition. Many students have asked me regarding these particular courses. So in this video, I will be talking about the colleges in Mumbai and Pune offering this particular course, the eligibility criteria, as well as the admission procedure for this course. Let's get started. Introduction to this course. So this course is going to be a 2-year full-time master's degree program comprising of 4 semesters. Many of the colleges offer this course as an home science specialization. So they will be offering MSc Home Science in food nutrition or in dietetics or in food science and technology. Fine. There are various kinds of colleges that offer this particular course. You can have aided colleges, that are those colleges which are funded by the government. Self-finance colleges are not funded by the government. Then you can also have an autonomous colleges. Autonomous colleges are those colleges which can form their own syllabus, they have their own criteria and they can conduct their own exams also. While aided and self-finance colleges will be affiliated to certain universities. So again, they can be affiliated to a state university or a deemed to be university. So state university follows the government regulations, while deemed to be university has been granted autonomous status by the UGC. The motto behind explaining all these things to you is that because there are various kinds of universities as well as their affiliated colleges which are going to offer this particular course, and students will be confused like which one is a good and bad. There is nothing like good and bad, but yes, before you apply for any course, it is very important that you visit the website of that particular college, read the criteria properly, admission procedure, if there are any exams or any interview, you have to attend it and then only go and take admission in that college. In this video, I'm going to speak to you about 8 different colleges which are going to offer a course related to MSc in Food Science, and their particular official website links are also provided in the description box. At the end of the video, I'm also going to speak to you about the career prospects after you finish your MSc in Food Science and Nutrition. So watch this video till the end. Let's get started with the first college. D.Y. Patil University from Navi Mumbai. The School of Biotechnology and Bioinformatics of this particular university offers this course of MSc in Food Science and Technology. And you are eligible for this course if you are a graduate in biotechnology, bioinformatics, life sciences, zoology, botany, chemistry, microbiology, applied biology, biochemistry, genetics, as well as students of the MBBS, BDS and MBSc are also eligible for this course, but you should be a graduate with minimum 50% marks. Secondly, Dr. B.M.N. College of Home Science, Matunga, Mumbai. This college is affiliated to the SNDT Women's University. It offers MSc in Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics course under the Home Science specialization, and you are eligible for this course if you have passed BSc with Food Science and Nutrition, Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics, Food Science and Quality Control, Applied Nutrition, Food Technology, Biochemistry, Microbiology, Biotechnology, Life Science with minimum 50% marks or a B grade from any recognized university. Thirdly, SNDT Women's University, Juhu Campus, Mumbai. The Department of Food Science and Nutrition of this university offers the course MSc in Food Science and Nutrition, and the eligibility criteria is a minimum passing percentage of 55% or B grade with students who have completed their BSc in Life Science, Biochemistry, Biotechnology, Physiology, Microbiology, Zoology and Molecular Biology. Fourthly, SNDT Women's University, Pune campus. The Department of Food Science and Nutrition is going to offer the course MSc in Nutrition and Food Processing, and the eligibility criteria for this course is a minimum passing percentage of 55% or a B grade in BSc Life Science, BSc Biochemistry, Biotechnology, Physiology, Microbiology, Zoology and Molecular Biology. Fifthly, Nirmala Niketan College of Home Science, Mumbai. This college is affiliated to Mumbai University and it offers MSc in Food, Nutrition and Dietetics course under Home Science, and the eligibility criteria is BSc with Biochemistry, Life Science, Microbiology, Biochemistry, Biotechnology or any other biological science or home science course students are eligible to apply for this course. This particular college is going to offer one more course, that is MSc in Food Processing and Preservation, and its eligibility criteria is BSc with Home Science, Microbiology, Biochemistry, Life Science, Chemistry, Biotechnology or Agriculture. So students of these particular graduate programs can definitely go and apply for this particular course in Nirmala Niketan College of Home Science. Next is Symbiosis Institute of Health Sciences, Pune. It is affiliated to the Symbiosis International deemed to be university. And this college is going to offer the course MSc in Nutrition and Dietetics, and the eligibility criteria is graduate in Life Science, Home Science, Health Science or any other biological science with around 55% marks or equivalent grade, while students of SC, ST caste, you have to have at least minimum 45% passing marks. Eighth one is an institute, Defence Institute of Advanced Technology from Pune, in association with Defence Food Research Laboratory, DFRL Mysore, offers a course in MSc in Food Technology, and the eligibility criteria is basic graduate degree in Food Science, Food Technology, Nutrition, any basic science, engineering, agriculture, veterinary discipline, and the eligible candidates will be called for a test and interview by the selection committee. So thus for students, we have seen 8 different colleges which are offering this particular MSc program in Food Science and Nutrition. Now at the end, we are going to understand about the career prospects after you complete this PG course. So first of all, you can work as a clinical nutritionist in hospitals, clinics, healthcare centers, as well as in pharmaceutical and nutraceutical industry. You can work as a clinical dietitian as well as a food scientist in research and development in various institutes and industry, food safety and quality inspector or officer in food testing laboratories throughout our country, as well as a food consultant on food safety and in the regulatory bodies. As well as students, you can have various government bodies in which you can find a job after you complete your MSc in Food Science and Nutrition. So that is the end of this video. So thank you all for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it, share it to your friends and subscribe to Learn Microbiology. I will see you all in another video with another course. In case you want me to make a video on any particular course of your interest, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.